Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of nail art with the ultimate gel nail polish kit. The JODSONE 60 PCS Gel Nail Polish Kit with UV light base and matte glossy top coat. If you're someone who loves experimenting with different nail designs and colors, this kit has got you covered. It comes with a whopping 55 bottles of colored gel nail polish, along with 2 bottles each of base coat, glossy top coat, and a bonus matte top coat. Plus, it includes a smart nail lamp and various manicure tools to complete your nail art arsenal. Let's talk about the star of the show, the nail lamp. With 3 curing modes: 5 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. This lamp ensures quick and efficient curing of your gel nail polish. It features 30 LED small light beads that can cure each nail from all directions, giving you salon-quality results right at home. Now, let's discuss the quality of the gel nail polish itself. Made of natural resin and professional-grade ingredients, these gel polishes offer high shine and durability. With just a thin layer, you'll get vibrant colors that can last up to 21 days on your nails. Plus, the texture is silky smooth, making it easy to apply even for beginners. Whether you prefer a glossy finish or a trendy matte look, this kit has everything you need to express your personal style. And with 60 different colors to choose from, the possibilities are endless. From classic nudes to bold neons, there's a shade for every mood and occasion. Worried about the removal process? Don't be. These gel polishes are soak-off, making them easy to remove without damaging your nails. Simply use a gentle acetone-based remover, and your gel manicure will come off effortlessly, leaving your nails healthy and ready for your next creative masterpiece. So, if you're ready to take your nail game to the next level, look no further than the JODSONE 60 PCS Gel Nail Polish Kit. With its wide range of colors, professional quality formula, and convenient nail lamp, it's the best Uñas de Gel Kit Completo available on the market today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy painting!